Is here, but before you maybe head out on a trip or spend a couple of days away, you may want to hear the legal advice of attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli with the Law and You guys. Nice to see you today.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. If you could get some nice weather for our viewers, that would be really appreciated.
You know what? I've got the Law and You covered, so let's blame Hodel.
I'm aware of that. We'll blame Josh.
All right, let's get to the question. And this one involves a travel agency and an issue with it. I booked a vacation through a local travel agency. When I got to my destination, it wasn't at all what I had booked and paid for. Is there any way to get my money back? Jim from Clark Summit wants to know.
Jim, you probably can get a portion of your money back, especially if what you booked when you got there, if the resort wasn't what you were booking when you went through the travel agency to begin with. So, I hope that you took out some trip insurance as well, because that could also come into play here, and you might be able to get some money back through through that as well. But you have a contract with the travel agent. The contract is going to dictate what you booked, and then what the resort was supposed to be. And if it wasn't, then you potentially can get some money back on that.
Wow, Jim, this sounds like the vacation I just came off of. Signed up for something, I really didn't get what I wanted. But Ed's right. What you could do is, you should just reach out to the travel agency that you dealt with. I'd also reach out to the resort, find out what went wrong. In these cases, it's extremely important to document what you were promised, what you got. When you're on the trip, if it's going bad, make sure you start complaining right then and there, so it's documented. Do it by email. And save your emails, because that's going to be the basis of your claim, and then put the claim in. But it's unfortunate. You wait all this time to go on this great vacation, and they end up screwing it up on you.
All right, if you have a nightmare on your vacation and you want some legal advice, how can our viewers reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com. And Ed's actually going to start watching the hotline. So
oh, I love the hotline.
He loves it.
Love the hotline. Now, as to Greg's vacation, though, he started complaining before he went, so I don't know how how valid that is. But you can go to our Facebook page, and if you have a travel agent question, put it on there, and we'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
And for the record, I did warn Greg about vacationing on the Susquehanna Riverbank. He didn't listen, though. All right, if you would like to feature a question here on The Law and You, we've got attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli waiting for your question at pahomepage.com or on the hotline.